You're writing content, but no one's sharing your content on the social web. Today, I'm going to share with you how to write content that generates more social shares. To tell you the truth, it's not really about the content. It's actually about the headline. You still have to write amazing content, but if you want to generate more social shares, it's all about the headline. 1. Make sure the headline is around 5 to 7 words. When your headlines are too long, for some reason, it's just overwhelming, and people don't want to share. When it's too short, people don't know what your content's about, and they're not going to share it. The next thing you want to do when you're writing headlines is use adjectives. When you use words like effortlessly, what will happen is people will think it's easy. Everyone wants the easy route. The third tip I have for you when writing headlines is create some mystery. For example, the 7 benefits of green tea, number 6 will shock you. People are much more likely to share your content when they're like, wow, number 6 must be crazy. Implement these strategies and watch your social shares increase.